Okay. Okay. Yeah, you may want to remove that, David. Adam Handler, can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear, my brother. Hopefully all is well with you.
Excellent. Yes, it is. Do you think the 93.5 FM community right now on this beautiful Friday is hearing me clearly?
Oh, I know they are, because I'm looking at the studio right here. I got my whole setup going here. You know.
Excellent. I think they've been hearing us clearly since September of 2005. What do you think?
I'm sure. I'm just getting, you know what, when people annoy you with phone calls during the radio show that you know you're supposed to be doing,
Yeah.
and you know you're on,
Yep.
Like people like that Carrie and people like the Kings, anyway,
Hey,
but anyway,
listen, if
you spoke with my bestie, right?
We didn't connect yet.
It's my best friend in the world.
I know it is. And but I don't want to.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want to sound like a jerk right now.
Yeah,
but I'm not going to treat her any differently than I treat everybody else. And that's the key. So it doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, what you're doing here, whether you're a stranger off the street or whether you're Squeeze's best friend. If you're my client, you are going to be treated A++++ VIP. And that's how we do it. We don't play favorites. Listen, as a father of 3 girls, you can't play favorites, right? And as an attorney of hundreds and I should say thousands and thousands of people, you can't play favorites. You got to treat everybody's case like it's your most important case.
Right, precisely. And and I want you to address a little bit of a situation with her, that person that we're talking about. You get into an accident. One, you're supposed to document the accident, call the cops. If you feel a bit hurt, go to the hospital. Yes or no?
Absolutely. Absolutely. You kidding me? I mean, that's the number one rule. The number one rule when you're in an accident is that you report it, whether it's a car accident, a trip and fall, slip and fall, a workplace accident, a construction accident. You want to be able to the extent possible, be able to prove that it happened in the way that it actually did. And that usually starts with a 911 call or getting a coworker or a supervisor or a job foreman out to the job site. And then, of course, getting medical attention. So, and people listen. They really do. Squeeze? Am I on my own today? Oh, boy. Ladies and gentlemen, I could either be talking to you or I could be talking to myself right now. But if Squeeze is off, I'm going to say that I am Adam Handler. I am your case handler. And I have no idea what's happening right now. But live radio, I'll keep going. I'll keep talking.
Everything is good, man. It's just some people putting up some drapes. But
you're a mess. You're a mess right now. You're an absolute mess. Can you give out the phone number a few times? Can we get this party started right? People are listening.
The party started already because everybody knows that you are the top personal injury attorney on this radio station. That's one. 2, everybody knows that you have settled well over $170 million for your clients. That's 2. 3, the Caribbean American community appreciate the fact that you have been like family to them. Okay. 4, the other attorneys on this radio station and also the broadcasters know that you are a kick-ass attorney and that if anyone goes to any other attorney, they're making a big mistake. And every day they pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to, of course, go up against the top man, the case handler. Why would you want to do that? Ladies and gentlemen, let me simply put it, all right? If you want the best possible outcome for your case, there is only one man, and that one man happens to be Adam Handler. Don't make the mistake and go to another attorney when you get hurt in an accident, whether that be a bus accident, a train accident, a plane accident, a car accident, a truck on the Tappan Zee Bridge. Okay, maybe the guy who almost fell over the FDR, maybe the lady who had her stove blow up in her apartment, whatever it might be, the guy who tore up his knee. Okay, maybe the construction accident that Adam Handler said for well over $5 million. Maybe it's a $10,000 accident, a $20,000 accident. You don't know it. Don't be that guy. Don't be that lady that calls up Adam and says, my case is with these guys who are whatever, they are. And I don't think I'm getting enough money. Why would you go to the guy in the first place? Yes, I'm beating up on you all. Why would you go to another attorney when you heard the name Handler on this radio station? Why would you make that mistake? Why? Because you were coerced? You were under duress? Come on. You know of Adam Handler. Google him. Don't take Squeeze's word for it. I am the biggest and the loudest voice in this station. But please do not take my word for it. Simply go and look him up on Google. He's the only attorney on this station that's got 5 stars. It doesn't get higher than that. Go to his website, thecasehandler.com, and see all the cases for yourself. Everybody, when they goes there, is extremely impressed. So people, I am here fighting for you to have the best possible outcome, the best possible attorney. Call this number, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And that's what I got to say today. Adam, it's back to you, man.
All right, man. Listen, I'm going to sneeze.
Oh,
there we go. There's the sneeze right there. But I muted myself. Don't take my word for it. Don't take Squeeze's word for it. Take the word of those individuals that never expected to get into an accident and then need my help. We've been doing this shows one way or another since September of 2005. Of course, I am the longest running, most successful, and most celebrated attorney on this radio station. And I don't dub that myself. And it's not just you, it's all the other DJs on this radio station that have routinely and consistently throughout the years endorsed my legal practice. But the best endorsement really comes from the people, the clients, the individuals that had lots of choices and then, tuned out the noise and went with who they believe to be the best possible attorney. So I'm going to play a couple audio messages. I love these messages. I since it's Friday, I'll pick up some good ones here.
Thanks a lot for putting Friday in our recording.
All right, here we go.
Adam, right now, because him are the baddest liar in the world, #1 baddest liar. And we know what we have a case and we know what I'm gonna do. We good. All right. So people, listen to me. If we not have a case, come to Adam. He may take care of you every time. Take care of you good.
I love that one.
Do you know what she said?
I understood half of it. I'm pretty good, but that one was heavy. This one's heavy too.
Word. People, and I make sure and I reach out to Pollack and Pollack Law Firm. The main man I need to reach out to is Adam Handler. Trust and believe me. And we make sure say everything good for you. Trust and believe me. Any kind of case you have, call him. ASAP. Don't even waste time. Don't even take the time and do nothing else, but make sure that you find the time and dial him number, people. You know the thing, go. I mean, now tell him.
Bop. Listen, man, everybody knows.
Hold on.
Straight facts. You understand? Yeah. So, you know the thing going on. I go give you one number for call, and I know the thing go. And I make sure so I reach out to the man ASAP, because me are telling you people. And on the way, I'm going to make sure the satisfaction is guaranteed. You understand me? Yeah, so the number I'm going to give you right now is 212-608-3734. Again, 212-608-3734.
Don't forget to call. Call the number. Call them now.
I freaking love that. Let me just tell you something. I love being a lawyer, right? Love being a lawyer. I'm third generation. It's in my blood. It's always what I wanted to do. I love this community just as much. Honestly, between the job I have and the people I serve, it is a dream come true. I'm telling you, from the bottom of my heart, ladies and gentlemen, if you are listening to me right now on the radio, I hope you feel that love. I hope you feel the dedication. I hope you feel the admiration. It's amazing. And together we've done incredible things, over $170 million for case handler clients throughout my career. Oh, we're basically at 175 million. I mean, it's been an unbelievable ride, and with hard work and God's will, we're going to continue to fight that fight.
It's a beautiful thing. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let me give it a number for the case handler, Adam Handler himself. It's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And before we actually end this programming right here on such a beautiful day, as we ease into the atmosphere where the beautiful weather is concerned, I want to remind people, if and when you do get hurt in an accident, do all the preliminary stuff that Adam and I have spoken about here. All right. And I said it before, document the accident, go to the hospital, get all that stuff checked out, because Adam will need that as ammunition, the evidence that he will use to actually represent you and fight for you where your case is concerned. Don't be like my friend who still have not reached out to Adam, who also still did not call the insurance company, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about a little bit about, Adam, because a lot of people make these mistakes and then they come to you and you were like, well, why didn't you do this? And why didn't you do that? So I need for you to take 30 more seconds, 60 more seconds, and expound on that a little bit. Why? Because many people out there have not been in an accident yet. But is it going to happen? Yes, it's going to happen for some of you. It's going to happen. But when it does happen, will you be prepared? I know you are prepared by having the number 844-774-3529 in your phone, but do you know exactly what to do and what you should do? So, Adam.
Yeah, absolutely. And maybe we don't say it enough. Again, we want to report the accident. If it's a car accident and you're able to do so, a lot of times these car accidents are catastrophic, if not deadly. So you may not be able to do it. But if you do get into that accident, everybody's got a cell phone these days. Everybody's got cameras on the cell phone. Take photographs, collect the evidence. I can't tell you how many big settlements I've won for people that had the proper evidence right away. Photographs of the car, photographs of the intersection, maybe the name of a witness. The police will come. You let them know what happened. If it's a trip and fall, slip and fall, a photograph. People slip and fall in the winter on snow and ice. They go back a couple of days later, it's gone. So if you can do it or have a bystander, a good Samaritan do it, take photos of the defect, the crack in the sidewalk, the misleveled road. If you're on a construction site and you get injured, something falls on you or you fall off something, have somebody document it. I have cases where I have videos of my clients laying on the ground unconscious because a coworker thought enough listening to our show, hey, he's going to need this evidence. Take a picture, take a video. Or just give us a call. It comes down to that. If you have any questions, you call us right away. A lot of people call us from the accident scene. Call the case handler, 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. Google the case handler. Easy way to connect with me. Often imitated, never duplicated. If your lawyer's name is not Adam Handler, you have the wrong attorney, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all I got to say on this Friday. That's all I say. Let's get that money together. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so much. Adam got the number in. With that said, we bid you farewell for the weekend, and we love you, and we look forward in actually being with you again on Monday. Adam, thank you so much for being what it is that you are, bro. Man.
I'll
Great
see you.
Friend, and of course, a man who is committed to the community as a personal injury attorney. Take care, folks.